Today, we're going to learn the letter X. X. Let's put the other letters in their places too. K, F, P, C, U, S, A. You're doing great. R, D, L. Let's place them nicely in the right spots. W, B, M, V, G, O, I, E, Q, Z, J, N, T, H, Y. You got them all right. Now let's read them in order, starting from A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful job! The fox is looking at a map. The fox wants to find the place marked with X, so he goes on an adventure. Let's write the letter X on the map. X. He goes through the forest, crosses the river, and arrives at the place marked with X. But there was only one tree there. Then he found a little mound of dirt in front of the tree. He dug into the mound and found a box. What do you think is inside the box? Wow, it's a xylophone! Xylophone! X is for xylophone. The fox played the xylophone happily with the bluebird. Great job! Let's learn letters by matching shadows. What does this shadow look like? Try to guess the answer. The answer is a box. Box. The word box has the letter X inside. Let's try one more time. What does this shadow look like? It has pointy ears and a big tail too. The answer is a fox. Fox. The word fox also has the letter X. Great job! Here's some purple clay. Let's make the shape of the letter X with the clay. First, spread the clay wide. Let's tidy up around it. Look, I brought a little lid. Let's press the lid into the clay to make a letter shape. Move the circle from the lid to the right side.
A is for apple, red and pink. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr. D is for dog with a funny purr. B, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, dance so happily. I, J, K, we laugh and play, learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish swimming in a crowd. G is for goat climbing so high. H is
The
for
letter shape is starting to appear.
me. E, F, G, H, dance so happily. I, J, K, we laugh and play, learning letters every day. Like is for igloo, cold and round. J is for jump up off the ground. K is for kite, flying so free. Let's sing more, come follow me. Now we know our ABCs, singing, dancing, 1, 2, 3s. Let's go learn, you and me. The alphabet is fun. Now we know our ABCs, singing, dancing, 1, 2, 3s. Let's go learn, you and me. The alphabet is fun.
Wow, it's the letter X. Now, let's trace the dotted lines to write the letter.
I is for igloo, cold and loud.
X.
Is for
Great
fish
job.
swimming
We have 4 cards, A, B, C, and X. Let's match the letters and place them on the cards. A, A, B, B, C, C, X. Let's write the letter X. X. Well done! Shall we draw the letter X?
How?
You can draw along too.
3 H I J K L M N. Let's sing them all again and again. O P Q R
Very good! Now let's color it in.
Wow!
V and
Use your favorite colors.
alphabet is fun for you and me. A B C D E F G
We've made a rainbow-colored letter X. Great job! Let's trace the dotted lines and read the letter. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Great job!